second step is I'm going to pick a method of proof. Once again, yesterday we learned 3 different methods. I'm going to pick what I think is the least amount of work. The one that asks me to show that the diagonals bisect each other. And the tool that we use to do that, to accomplish this, is the midpoint. And we need to show that has the same midpoint, right? That our diagonals, which happen to be AC in this diagram and BD. So we're going to show that those diagonals share a midpoint, and when we do that, we've shown that they bisect each other. And when we've shown that, we've proved it's a parallelogram. So I know what to do. The midpoint formula, this formula right here. At my axis, I'm looking at and I'm looking at x values. I'm going to right? That uh, well, this is going to be the point. This point here, that midpoint, is going to be 1.5, comma 1.5. And when I do the calculation for the midpoint of BD, I should expect the same midpoint because they wouldn't ask me to do something impossible. This is a parallelogram, and those diagonals do bisect each other, and therefore they must share a midpoint. So my calculation must be. Let's check. Now, we're looking at B and B. And I'm going to get my x value by adding my x, and then my y. The y value of my midpoint will come from minus minus is I can already tell I'm fine. 3 over 2 simplifies to 1.5 and 1.5. They do in fact share a midpoint. And that's going to be a reason what they asked. Quadrilateral. It is a parallelogram. Right? I've restated. Now we're going to give a reason. Because, well, our reason is always the method we use. Because its diagonals bisect each other. Explain how we know that. And the way we're going to explain it is we're going to tell them that, hey, they share a midpoint. Right? So quadrilateral ABC is a parallelogram because its diagonals bisect each other. They share the midpoint 1.5 comma 1.5. Quod, abrat, demonstratum. Fancy way to say we've proved it. Thank you.